I want to teach you something. Something I haven't even told my sons. I have a lot of sons. Thunderbolt can be anything. Thunderbolt is just electricity. You can have it anytime you call. Power is everywhere. You just have to harness it. Know your point? Power comes from the heart. Like the Romans say, apri il cuore. Open your heart. Open your heart. Yes. Eternity is at the edge of space. You go, and you go, until you can't go no further. There you will find the altar of eternity.
Thunderbolt will take you there.
You sure you won't come with us? We could really use the king of the gods.
No. To go there, you must be pure. Zeus is many things, but he's not pure. Apri il cuore.
Good to go?
Yeah. How are we getting there?